Welcome to PIERRE Academy. In this video, we will demonstrate how to connect and use the SHT temperature and humidity sensor. First, let's connect the power supply. The red and black wires correspond to the positive and negative terminals. It's important to note that the sensor operates on 5 volts. If connected to 12 volts, it will be damaged, so make sure to use 5 volts. Now, let's connect the positive 5 volts wire. After that, we'll connect the GND wire. The sensor requires 2 additional connections for the data lines. One will be connected to configurable pin 2, and the other to pin 3. Let's connect these as well. Now power up the system. Next, open the partner app. Select the controller, then go to the configurable I/O section. Click Add and select the humidity and temperature sensor SHT30. Let's name it Temp and Humidity. For the SDA, we'll select pin 2, and for the SCL, we'll select pin 3. Click Submit. Once this is done, you'll see both I/Os appear. Now we'll add them to the Academy dashboard. Click Save and then Done. Now let's go to the user app. I'm going to heat up the humidity sensor. As you can see, both the temperature and humidity values are increasing. The values adjust smoothly as I heat the sensor. This can be used for heating, cooling automation, a recuperator, or anything else you need. And that's it. Thank you for watching PIERRE Academy.